how to log into Trist Mobile application. If you would like to log into your Trist Mobile app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Just go ahead and then launch the Trist Mobile app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is you can set this type of option, so allow the access. Now basically if you want to log into your online banking account, just go ahead and then type in your user ID over here. Once you enter your user ID, type in your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, tap the I button right over here and then tap on sign in. In case you happen to forget your user ID or password, tap on the forgot user ID or password link that you can see here and reset it. If you have never basically registered for it, tap on register now button and you'll be taken to the next page where you can register for your Trist Mobile banking. But if your details are correct and you tap the sign in button, you'll be able to sign in without any issues. I hope this video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.